Hello YouTube, TDC Live here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got not one but two awesome knives to check out for you. These two knives are from the same maker, Blaurock BRB. If you don't know, they are from Germany. And this one I bought directly from them, and this one I bought it from a friend. Without further ado, let's open them up and see what's inside. And let's do the knife box first and then do the pouch. Looks like we got a cool microfiber cloth. Has their logo on it. And here is the knife. And I believe the COA card, yeah, it's here. Get it out. This thing probably is 3D printed. Cool. The COA card says the model is BRB4. Serial number 163, and steel is RWL34, and handle is TI, and date of birth is February 10th, 2025, and this is the maker's signature. Cool. And here is the BRB4. I believe this is their style 3. It's this kind of rock milling on the handle, and this is their logo. And they have this unique pivot. It's like a spinner with 8 different holes. Super cool. Let's give it a flick. Very good flicking action. The detent is dialed in so perfectly, and the closing action is silky smooth. Drop shotty, as you can see. Very good action. And 3D melt pocket clip, and 2 ways to deploy this knife. One is flipper, the other is using this cutout to reverse flick. Super good. Okay, let's open this pouch. Here, we'll see what we got here. We got a extra zinc pocket clip in this blue or greenish color, and we got the COA card for this one. This one is BRB3 V3. Serial number is 43, and the steel is VG10 semi. I believe this is a Damasteel, and finish is stonewash. Handle is TI, and finish is Asian bronze, and backspacer is TI. Hardware is TI steel, Damascus. Date of birth February 16th. 2022, and the maker's signature here as well. Super cool. Let's set this aside, and here is the knife. As you can see, this one is custom anodized to this purple color instead of bronze. Take a look at this knife. This purple custom anodization is so beautiful. As you can see. Check out the clip. Damascus clip. Super cool. Matches with the blade so well. And as you can see, 0043 is the serial number. Let's give this knife a flick. Ooh, very good action. Check out the closing. Drop shotty as well. Very good. Okay, now let's do a quick side-by-side comparison between these two knives. One is BRB4 and one is BRB3 V3. As you can see, overall they look very similar, but there are some differences. As you can see, there is a small cutout for the flipper, on BRB4, whereas on BRB3 it's a straight line here. You have more access to the flipper here compared to the BRB4, and this cutout is like a hole, but this one has 2 bars inside. That's different. And as you can see, the clip on the BRB3 is shorter, on the BRB4 it's longer. And also on the lock bar release cutout is a little bit different. As you can see, the lock bar here is different as well. Okay, now let's open them up and see the blade. Blade shape overall is quite similar, but this one on the BRB3 has a little bit of a recurve here, but overall shape is the same. Both have milling lines. Okay, now let's actually weigh them. Let's see how much the BRB4 weighs. BRB4 weighs 3.545 ounce. How about this BRB3? This BRB3 weighs 4.042 ounce. So the BRB4 is almost like half an ounce lighter than the BRB3. Okay, now let's cut something with these knives. I have 2 pieces of paper here. Let's first test out the BRB3. See how well this knife cuts. Pretty sharp. Cuts very well. How about this BRB4? Yeah, factory edge is super sharp. Yeah, both cuts really well. Now let's talk about the availability of these knives. It's pretty hard to get a BRB4 or a BRB3 from Blaurock blades, because they are really small knife makers in Germany. You can only get this from his job or on the Facebook group. The retail price for this version of BRB4 is around $680, I would say. And this one cost me a little bit more because of the Damasteel. But this one looks so badass. You can see, looks so much better than the regular one, with the Damasteel blade and also Damasteel clip, and this purple anodized handle. It just completes this knife. Such a gorgeous knife. Okay, that's it for this video. This is my first impression and unboxing on these 2 Blaurock knives. The one on the left is the BRB4 Style 3, and on the right is the BRB3 V3 with Damasteel and purple anodized handle. Let me know what you think about these 2 knives in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.